Now you have to know the right answer. As always, we'll divide our page into two parts. Here we have x and we have here y, okay? As we said before, these are two equivalent order pairs. The first projection equals the first projection and the second projection equals the second projection. X cubed minus 5 equals, excellent, 3. We'll take this number to the other side by the opposite sign. It'll be x cubed equals 3 plus 5. The first number, it'll be written the first number, okay? We cannot change the places here. So x cubed equals 8. To remove this power, we'll take the cubic root to the both sides. So x will be 2. Here we have 3y minus 7 equals 8. We'll take this number to the other side by the opposite sign and we'll cancel it from this side. 3y equals, here we have negative, on the other side it will be positive, right? 8 plus 7. As I said before, the first number should be written as the first number. We cannot change the places here. So 3y equals 8 plus 7, 15. We'll divide both sides by 3. So we'll cancel 3 by 3. The remainder here, y equals 15 over 3, 5. Okay? Here we have x equals 2, but y equals 5. If you found your answer right, so keep going, but if you didn't, you have to repeat your solution again to solve it correctly. Number 5. The order pair of x squared minus 2 and 2y equals the order pair of y and cubic root of 64. Here we'll divide our page into two parts. Here we have x and here y. These are excellent two equivalent ordered pair. The first projection equals the first projection. The second projection equals the second projection. Here we go. X squared minus 2 equals y. Okay, I cannot find x or y here because I have two variables. So I'll find y at the beginning. I'll say 2y equals cubic root of 64. So the cubic root of 64 equals, excellent. So 2y equals 4. I'll divide both sides by 2, here and here. We'll cancel 2 by 2. The remainder is y equals 4 over 2 is 2. Yeah, that's right. The value of y equals 2. I'll remove y here and substitute by, excellent, by 2. It will be x squared minus 2 equals 2. I'll take this number to the other side by the opposite sign. It will be x squared equals 2, positive or negative 2, excellent, by the opposite sign, positive 2. So x power 2 equals 2 plus 2, 4. I'll take the square root of the both sides. So we cancel power 2 by the square root. The remainder is x equals, the remainder is x equals the square root of 4, yeah, equals positive or negative 2. So in this example, we found the value of x equals positive or negative 2, but the value of y equals 2. Great. Number 6. The order pair of 32 and x plus y equals the order pair of y power 5 and 2. We'll divide our page into two parts. The first one is x-axis and the second one is y-axis. Here we go. The first projection equals the first projection. The second projection equals the second projection. So y power 5 equals 32. We can find the value of y by a lot of methods here. We can take the fifth root to the both sides. We'll cancel this power by this root. The remainder is y equals the fifth root of 32 is, yeah, excellent, 2. We can find the value of it by another method. Here we have y power 5 equals 32. We'll take this power to the other side by its receptacle. Yeah, it'll be y equals 32 power 1 over 5. And I'll put it into the calculator and find the value of it. It'll be y equals 2. Also, we can find the value of y by another method. Y power 5 equals 32. I can make the powers equivalent. Y power 5 equals, what is the number that is power 5 equals 32? Number power 5 equals 32. What is it? Yeah, 2. Because of the powers equivalent, it will be also the basics are equivalent. So y equals 2. In this part, x plus y equals 2. We found y equals 2, so we'll cancel this y and put, instead of it, 2 equals 2. We'll take this number to the other side by the opposite sign. It will be x equals 2 minus or plus. Excellent. The opposite sign of positive is minus. Yeah, 2 minus 2 equals 0. Now we'll take the question of today. You'll solve these questions and send them to me to figure out your right answers. Question number 1. Find the value of x and y in each of the following. Number 1, the order pair of x squared minus 1 and 8 equals the order pair of 48 and cubic root of y. The order pair of 32 and x plus y equals the order pair of y power 5 and 2. Question number 2. If the order pair of x minus 1 and 11 equals the order pair of 8 and y plus 3, then find the square root of x plus 2y. Question number 3. Create two order pairs which are equal from any subject, then find the value of x and y. For example, if we said the order pair of lions and cows equals carnivore and herbivore. Now I want to find the value of x and y. I'll divide our page into two parts. Here we have x-axis and here y-axis. The first projection here equals the first projection. So lions equals carnivore. And the second projection equals the second projection. So cows equals herbivore. We're at time, but we will be back with other lessons. And be sure to understand the whole example. If you have any questions or any doubts, please let me know. I'll leave your comment down below the video. Thank you for following our channel. These are my thoughts. God bless and take care.